Hello guys, it's Esosa here. You're welcome to my channel. Today we are making pizza. For this recipe you need 3/4 cup of warm water. First I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'll set aside. Next, in the sieve, I will add 2 cups of flour, you guys, you see why it's important to sieve your flour before using it. Next, I'll add half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, I will add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix until well combined. I'll set that aside. Cover with a cling film. Allow the dough to rest for 15 minutes before kneading. After 15 minutes, guys, I will knead the dough. Next, I will transfer the dough on my work surface and knead the dough for 15 minutes. So you knead your dough until the dough becomes soft, like what I have here. Next, I will transfer into a bowl. Add some olive oil on the side of the bowl to prevent the dough from sticking. And then I will cover with a cling film. I'll leave it in a warm area for 2 hours. So while the dough is resting, guys, let's prepare our toppings. First, I'll parboil my chicken breast. I will add some chicken seasoning, some oregano seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, some salt, some seasoning cube. After cooking for 10 minutes, my chicken breast is ready. You know it's chicken breast, it doesn't take time to cook. I will dice the chicken breast into chunks. So for this recipe, you also need red bell pepper, but feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. A can of chopped tomatoes. I'll blend until smooth. In a pot, I'll add some vegetable oil. Add some chopped onions. Add the blended tomatoes and pepper. Next, I will add some oregano seasoning, chili flakes, seasoning cubes, some salt. I will stir that nicely. Cover with a lid and allow to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So my tomato sauce is ready. I'll turn down the heat and allow to cool down a bit. So after 2 hours, guys, my dough is ready. I will transfer the dough into a pizza tray. I'll spread the dough using my palm. You can use a rolling pin to do this. Personally, I prefer using my hand because it saves time and does the job really well. Next, I'll brush some olive oil on the edge of the dough to prevent Next, I'll go in with my tomato sauce. Next, I will add some grated mozzarella cheese. Make sure you don't put too much toppings just so you don't overwhelm your pizza. Next, I'll go in with some chicken. Next, I will add some yellow bell pepper, some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, and more cheese on top. Next, I will transfer into a preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. Okay. Just look at that, guys. Just look at that. Looks yummy and tasted amazing, you guys. If your kids love pizza like mine, just try this method already and you will definitely come back to thank me later. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you are not following me on Facebook yet, please subscribe to my channel, follow, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for doing that. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Thank you, lovelies. Bye.